back again. Today we're going to be reacting to She-Hulk Attorney Law. This will be another trailer for it. Stars Tatiana Maslany as She-Hulk. She's related to Bruce Banner, who's played by Mark Ruffalo as the Hulk. Yeah. So I heard the direction to the previous trailer for this came out. So not a lot I need to say to preview this one. There's been no new information, so yeah, let's go.
Wow! Jesus, what the hell, man?
Still in control, no overwhelming feelings of rage.
No! A normal amount of rage!
You do revert back to Gen form when you sleep.
Was the air horn really necessary?
For comedy,
Yeah, it was.
absolutely. This is a multi-year journey you're about to embark on. Yeah. Who's your best friend?
Nikki.
Spandex. Spandex is your best friend. Being a Hulk asks for balance. You have so much more to learn. Yes!
So I'm clearly nailing it at all of these things.
If you want to go back to your life as a lawyer, I respect that.
He doesn't mean that.
Wait, who is she talking? Is she talking to us?
More and more eccentric superhumans are coming out of the woodwork. We're going to launch a division for them, and I want the She-Hulk to be the face of it.
Jennifer Waters. Namaste.
I have a serious conflict of interest. This man tried to kill my cousin, Bruce.
Yeah, that's quite all right.
Oh.
Oh, well, okay.
People only care because I'm representing Emil Blonsky. I think they care because they're like, hey, that girl's great. Jen, do your thing. God, I really like this outfit. I'm not proud of this.
But I can't blame them for liking her.
We answer to a higher power.
Oh, what was in this?
Our universe is on the edge of a precipice.
I am a lawyer. We do things by the book.
The Book of Ashanti.
No, the book of American laws.
Whether you like it or not, you're now a superhero.
Let's do this. You know that friend you had in high school who was way cooler than you were attractive, got all the attention from everyone? Hello.
I think I'm jealous. Is that what I'm feeling?
Yeah, it is. Wait, who was that? Was that Daredevil? I definitely think that was Daredevil. You know, I'm pretty sure that was Daredevil at the end there. But yeah, okay. So I like what I've seen so far. This is gonna be a long thing. But yeah, so it looks like it's gonna be a bit of a little comedy thing. Much more of a comedy than the previous shows. Maybe like to I haven't watched Miss Marvel yet, so I don't know. I haven't finished Moon Knight yet, so but based on all the shows I've watched so far, Captain America: Winter Soldier, Loki, Hawkeye, What If, WandaVision, or there anymore? No, not that kind of thing about it. But yeah, so yeah, this definitely seems like it's more gonna be more funny. It's gonna be more like Hawkeye based, where with the humor and stuff. So I look forward to that. It appears that she, because I think I've heard this in the comics, not in the comics. I heard that in like people were talking about it that she is better at controlling her not controlling her powers, using her powers than Bruce is, and then yeah, she definitely is using it better than him in those scenes we saw. We got the confirmation that she is related to Bruce. We see that there's gonna be a lot of new power people popping up, and so it is like um, this is gonna be why uh, it's gonna be why oh right, she's drafted in by whichever agency to be a lawyer for power people, and which is because Shield had something similar where we saw like Agents of Shield had like not representing them, but like people they had the team with Quick and the Yo-Yo. I don't remember who else was in there because it's been a while since I was Agent of Shield. But yeah, since I had that whole thing. But whatever. What am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? Yeah. So it looks like it's gonna be fun. It looks like her character, she is loved by the public. She's gonna be representing Abomination, Emily Blonsky. So it looks like it's gonna be some good banter between Mark Ruffalo and Tatiana. So that's I hope that's peppered throughout. And it's not like he's in episode 1, episode 2, and I'm like episode 6, and then he's not there anymore. But like use up Ruffalo. He's good at this thing. If you got him, use him. Well then schedules and whatever. But yeah, so I don't think I'll be able to watch this stuff because I have to watch. I'm gonna have to finish Moon Knight and then watch Miss Marvel and then I'll watch this. So I don't think this will be a live reaction based on when it's coming out next month. No, I don't think so. But but nothing is perfect. Can't have it your own way. This is not. Is that Burger King in America? Is that? I don't know. I don't care. I care, but I really don't care. But yeah, so you can tell I'm waffling because I don't have anything much to say, and so I should end it here. Like I said, I kept it short, and that's it for this video. Bye.